Alright, y'all. Tacos Gobernador. Let's make them. Start off by getting one chile pasilla. You can find this chile anywhere in any of your supermarkets. They should carry them. These are very common. So what you want to start off doing is basically just core out your chile and take out this little white part. You don't really need it. And just start cutting it into strips just like this. And now just dice it up into little squares like that. Now grab your red onion, and we're going to cut only half of it. So make your slit right through the middle. And by this point, I'm pretty sure all of us know how to cut an onion properly. So go ahead and start making your slits and dice that red onion up. Remember, we're only using about half to the quarter of it. I'm using 2 Roma tomatoes, but you can use any other tomato, it really doesn't matter. So go ahead and make your slices just like that. And we're going to dice it up in squares as well. So these are 2 fresh minced up garlics. And now we're going to shred up some mozzarella cheese. And for the garlic, you guys, just make sure you always do fresh garlic. Don't buy none of that pre-minced stuff. It doesn't taste good. Here I have a pound of some white shrimp that I already cleaned and deveined. Make your slit right through the middle. You don't have to, but I like mine's being cut through the middle. Season that with some salt and some pepper. And go in there with a good amount of some creole seasoning. This is optional. I'm using this brand of Chipotles and Adobo. You can use whatever brand you want. And some of this Mexican sour cream. And now to a hot pan, throw in there some olive oil. Don't be a noob. Make sure your pan is hot. Now just go in there with your red onion and your poblano. We're going to sweat these up a little bit. So now once it has this color, just throw in there your minced up garlic with your tomatoes. Give that a nice mix. And now we're going to season this with a slight bit of salt. Once your veggies have released all the flavor, now you're going to go in there with your shrimp and incorporate everything together. Remember, you guys, shrimp cook fast, so you only need about 3 minutes or so. Now go in there with your sour cream and 2 tablespoons of the chipotles and adobo. Once they're done, they should look like this. And always remember, you guys, taste and season to your liking. Throw a little bit of more onto a pan. Now go ahead and throw in there your tortilla. Go in there with your mozzarella cheese. And now a good spoonful of that shrimp mixture we just made. You know, I'm a fat boy, so you know I stuff the hell out of mine. It's like stuff. So now go ahead and give your tortilla that flip. We want to make sure that both sides of our tortilla have a nice crust on them. Alright, so give it that flip. Start having a nice color just like that. You can plate up your tacos whatever we want, maybe with some salsa. I like them just like that. And for you naysayers that say, ew, cheese on shrimp, shut up. Shut up. We don't want to hear it. So plate those bad boys how you want them. And done, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to see what other items you want to see get made.